Hello everyone, let's learn how to see YouTube comments history. As a YouTube user, you've probably left a bunch of comments on many videos. We've all done it, but sometimes it's almost impossible to keep track of all of them. Fortunately, YouTube makes it easy to look, edit or delete all the comments you've made on your account. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open YouTube app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. The next step is to click on little icon of your profile in top right corner of the screen. That will send you on menu with a lot options, and then you need to click on settings option to go on it. Now you are on settings menu, and next you need to do is to tap on manage all history, and next choose account you won't. Now you are on Google Center of your account. This process is same for iOS and Android and for PC. So to see all your comments you need to click on interactions. When you do that you need to select comments and replies option. After that scroll down and you will see all your comments. You can see date and time when the comment was posted. Also you can go on that video to see your comments, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.